The polymerase chain reaction is one of the great discoveries of the 21st century. It's been a great driving force in molecular biology, but it's a remarkably simple reaction that requires just a few chemicals and the widely available polymerase enzyme that you can easily buy on the internet. The main hurdle for students and biohackers is the expense of the thermocycler. Its precision control of temperature is needed to drive the PCR reaction. The reaction takes place in 3 stages that are repeated many times. First, the thermocycler heats up template DNA until the double helix breaks into 2 strands. Then, it cools the mixture down so the primers combine to the start and end points of the sequence we want to copy. Finally, it heats the mixture up to the optimum temperature of the polymerase, which then builds a new double-stranded helix from the chemicals in the mixture. It's the precise control of temperature and the need for both rapid heating and cooling that makes the PCR machine so expensive. But instead of heating up the entire reaction vessel, what if we heated and cooled local regions and moved the reaction mixture around? Then we wouldn't need to heat and cool so much material, so the temperature changes could be much more rapid. The temperature differences could also induce natural convection, which would drive the fluid flow, so we wouldn't even need moving parts. The goal of this Hackaday Prize entry is to develop a working prototype that will bring this great invention to the hands of biohackers and schools around the world. To do this, I'll first need to show that the system works and to work out the best parameters. Then it's on to designing the simplest possible working system using the fewest possible and cheapest parts. Most importantly, I'll need to produce great documentation and make sure it's easy to build. Leveraging open source designs and code from the Arduino and moving the interface from expensive hardware to software-based web interfaces, I hope to design an easy to build and remarkably cheap new platform to bring the polymerase chain reaction to everybody.